The top 5 best solar generator recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Goal Zero YETI 1000 Core. YETI is long renowned for making some of the best outdoor gear money can buy. So when the company launched its Goal Zero line of solar generators, it was no surprise that they turned out to be awesome. While the whole line is great, the 1000 core model's balance between capacity and portability makes it perfect for taking on the road. While the 1000 core has a third less capacity than our top pick, it charges up faster, making it a great option for rapid solar replenishment. That said, its capacity is no slouch, offering 82 phone charges, 20 for a laptop. Recommendation number 2. BLUETTI C200 Max. You'll be hard-pressed to find a solar generator better suited for living off the grid for an extended period of time than the BLUETTI C200 Max. It boasts a substantial 2048 Wh capacity, which allows you to power your whole life off of it longer than most portable generators. Even better, you can daisy-chain multiple BLUETTI batteries, expanding its capacity to a massive 8.192 Wh. That's flat-out enormous, and translates into the ability to power a full-sized fridge for over a day or several hours of air conditioning, for the more modest needs of people who are used to living off a generator. Recommendation number 3. ECOFLOW Delta Pro. The ECOFLOW Delta Pro stands apart from the pack thanks to an unrivaled power and output capacity. The Delta Pro alone packs a 3,600 Wh wallop, and you can expand that to 25,000 Wh by chaining it to extra ECOFLOW batteries and generators. That's a ton of power, and it has the substantial output capacity necessary to power an entire house worth of electronics when you need it to. The Delta Pro also offers a companion app for iOS and Android, which allows you to monitor energy usage, customize its operation, and monitor and manage a number of other elements. Recommendation number 4. ANKER 545. The ANKER 545 not only offers the compact size and reduced weight that you're looking for, but it packs fairly substantial power to boot. Roughly the size of a shoebox and lighter than a case of beer, it's easy to pack along with camping gear and move around without too much effort. To get something so light, though, you do have to compromise on power. The ANKER 545 has a capacity of 778 Wh and an output capacity of 770 W, which is plenty of power for keeping your devices charged. Specifically, that should provide about 55 phone chargers, 10 for a lap. Recommendation number 5. JACKERY Explorer 300. Though it isn't quite as impressive as our top pick for best solar generator, JACKERY's smaller Explorer 300 solar generator is super compact and lightweight with a decent power capacity for its price. Less a mobile power station than an upscale power bank, the JACKERY Explorer 300 provides plenty of portable recharges for your devices when you're camping, on a job site, driving, or just need some power and don't have convenient access to an outlet. Its modest 293 Wh capacity isn't huge, but it's enough to provide 31 phone charges.